if you are looking for a great foldable desk that you can use on your couch or on the bed, you're absolutely going to love this. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly need to know about this, whether it holds a tablet, is there enough room for a mouse, what does a computer look like on it, what does a cup holder look on it. I'm going to cover all of that. Right off the bat here, we got a nice little handle right over here. So if you want to cover it up, this is exactly how it comes right here. It's just going to come in a box just like this. All you have to do is literally open it up just like that, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna sit right over here. You'll see, super comfortable for me. Plenty of space right over here. I have a laptop right over here. So this laptop right here is about 12 inches. So you can see right here, that's kind of how it sits on here. So there's plenty of room for a mouse right over here and to kind of move it up, back, whatever you need to do. If you also want to add a cup holder, just like that, you have plenty of space to work right over there. If you didn't use a mouse, plenty of space. You can see from this side right here. So that's kind of how it looks. Now, the details on this here. So there is no draw on this. These legs are not adjustable, so it does not go up and down, and there is no draw. This right here is going to be 23 inches. It's really easy to fold, which I personally like. I do like the fact that you have plenty of space here. Like if I'm typing on this right over here, this thing is really not moving at all, which I personally like. It's very stable, which is great. Now, if you were just going to use this right over here with a tablet, so this is an iPad right over here. I do have a case on it. You'll see it fits in just like this perfectly. So it's right over there, and you'd have plenty of space to do whatever you wanted to do. So if you had a keyboard for this or something like that, you'd have even more space, and then you could use it with a mouse as well. So very versatile. Again, you could use this in your bed, on your couch, doesn't really matter. And again, it folds up. So if I want to just put this under the couch for easy storage, I could do that, or under my bed or whatever. If you work from home and are tired, look at the difference right over here. So if I had my laptop like this, I'm working like this, and that is not good for my neck. But if I pull this out right over here, put this up here, you can see right here, now I'm working just like this. My neck is not all the way down. This is super stable. You can see I could like lay back like this. I could sit up like that. No issues here. It does, I don't have any issues down here fitting inside of it. Just really, really like this thing a lot. I've used it a ton, but like I said, I'm constantly working on my computer, so to be able to use a mouse right over here is super helpful. And to avoid clutter and stuff like that, I do like the fact that I could literally just fold this up just like this, take it with me. This is also going to be great if you're going on the go or somewhere, you just want to take it with you. So if you're looking for a great laptop desk for either the couch or the bed, definitely check this out. I absolutely love it.